Welcome. We are going to connect Stratusphere UX to your Active Directory LDAP to enable Stratusphere users and administrators to log into the Stratusphere console with their Active Directory username and password. In the Stratusphere administrative interface, click on Hub Administration and then click on Directories. To create a new LDAP directory connection, click on New Directory. Enter a friendly name in the name field, like liquidware.lab. Ensure the Use for Logins box is checked, and the directory type is AD. Enter the fully qualified domain name to your domain or domain controller. Here I'm adding a subgroup of domain controllers local to my data center with LDAP.liquidware.lab. Enter a user to connect to the Active Directory LDAP with read permissions and the user's password. Enter the base DN for the domain. In this instance, I'm going as simple as I can and using the DN for the domain. Click on Advanced User and User Group Properties to expand the section. Ensure that the Yes Radio button is selected for Import User and Groups. Support.liquidware.com has a great article on this process where you can copy and paste these example search filters. Search for LDAP. I'm updating the user search filter to search for the members of specific groups. I'm also updating the group search filter for those groups. Stratusphere allows you to add members of a group to the administrative role within Stratusphere. In this case, I'm adding the group Stratusphere_admins to the Assign Administrator Role Groups field to make members of that Active Directory group Stratusphere administrators. Click Create New Directory. You can get more granular based on your level of LDAP expertise, but that's the basics. Let's import your users. Click on Import from Directory, then the Import button. Stratusphere UX will reach out to the LDAP source and import the users and groups. In my import, I've imported 2 users and 2 groups. Stratusphere administrators can edit existing directory queries using the Edit tab. When you make edits, you will need to know the password of a user that is connecting to the LDAP. A one-time import or manual import really doesn't help. So let's schedule the import by clicking the Schedule Import tab. Selecting the Yes Radio button to enable the scheduling and setting it to a daily import during off hours, like this 2 a.m. example shown here. Click Set Schedule to import the users and groups every day, keeping users and administrators up to date daily. The Status tab gives a summary of the schedule, the last time ran, and the information about the last import. Administrators can confirm the imported users by clicking the Inventory tab, then the Users tab. Imported users will be listed with the directory name and the role assigned. That's how you allow users to log into Stratusphere UX using their Active Directory accounts. Thank you for your time. Please visit our documentation site and join the conversation on our Slack community channel.